Hello and welcome to this video. I will show you how to log in Alpha Bank Grace online. Go to Google, search for this keyword Alpha Bank. As you can see here, friends, Alpha Bank Grace. Click Grace and then click the first website. Here you will redirect it to this page. In this page, log in, as you can see here. So you just click on this icon, unlocked icon on the top right corner. As you can see here, when you click this icon, you will redirect it to this login page. From this page, just wait. You have the two options here. Click on the first one, private or business. Click private. You will redirect it to this page. So in this page, all you have to do, write your username and password. So write your username and password. After that, click login option. As you can see, this is a login option. Click login. Basically, this is how you can do. You can also use your private account. You have a private. In this case, click on username and password. This is how you can do, friends. Just write two options here. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video.